You see this axle? What the hell is that? Okay. One of them cheap ass axles. Look. Now it's made. Thin stuff. Bottom's open. Hey, what the hell? Hey. My chair's rolling away. Alright, so I believe the hubs are okay. I gotta check them out, but so rather than buy an axle, I think I can beef this one up pretty good. So I got a 1-inch square piece, and there's a piece of it there. So I'm gonna just show you how I put these in there. Little pieces. I'm laying one in the bottom. I might not even weld that one. This here welds in it kind of in a way, so I'm gonna have to cut out a little bit of this, grind it out of this bar, and it'd be this bar. So it goes all the way. So it'll go all the way up like that after the other side's ground out. So, and it'll be lower. I add these pieces in here. I add these, right? And then this will go all the way over when I'm done. And be welded all up here. And I'm going to put one in the center like that around this bar the same way, and one on this end. And I'm going to weld this top part, you know, this far from here over in the middle, about the same length, and this end. And hopefully that'll beef it up. I'll put some rust-proof junk in here and all before I seal it up. I don't know. What do you think? Oh, and then I'm going to put a couple of these on there, right? Weld them on the sides and across here. And I mean, you probably don't even need them, but I'm throwing them on there anyway. All right. Okay, and we'll see how this comes out when I get it done. But that's how I'm doing it. All right. Bye. Okay, now. Here it is. I got that piece in there. All right. That 1-inch square. And all these welds on there. I don't think she's going anywhere. You know what I mean? So, I know one thing, that's some bitch is heavy now, man. Anyway, I got this, you know, tied into this round axle part. And plus all these. So, I think she's alright. It's a hell of a lot better than nothing in there. Just how it was. I was half afraid to put any a lot of weight on it. I was afraid the axle would bend, break, or something. So we'll go with this, and I think this is keeping me from having to buy an axle and hubs and all that shit. Already had this stuff, this bar. So I'm gonna go over these wheels or these hubs, grease them, and see how the bearings are and what kind of bearings are in there. I don't know. I don't know if it's where this trailer's from. I know it's one of them cheap ones. I don't know if it was from Harbour Freight or what. I don't know if this is the kind of axles that they put in their stuff. But I didn't like it. So maybe she's all right now. All right, that's it. Bye. Maybe that'll give somebody an idea that has this kind of junky axle. All right. See ya.